Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines.
Headlines brought to you by Chandan Group's Goa.
5. Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines.
Headlines brought to you by Chandan Group's Goa.
5-story under construction building of Ruby Residency collapses at Kankan. Many workers feared dead. More than 30 injured. Another 40 still trapped. Aam Aadmi Party set to expand its base in Goa. Offices in north and south. Goa as a state needs to be rebranded, says Dr. Oscar Rebello. Hearing on bail petition of Tejpal adjourned for Tuesday. Court extends Tejpal's judicial custody for 10 more days. In-camera proceedings of some part of the case. Former director of Infotech Corporation alleges scam of 20 crore rupees in cyber age scheme. Demands cancellation of e-tablet tender. And Bicholi Bachao Abhiyan on hunger strike. Bicholka's demand to take 5 major developmental projects before March. Now news in detail. A 5-story under construction building of Ruby Builders in Chowdi Kankan collapsed on Saturday afternoon. Many labourers are feared dead. Several others are critical. Around 40 labourers are trapped beneath the debris. 5 fire brigades and 4 ambulances and military personnel have been deployed. 3 buildings in the Ruby projects have been sealed. Prudent will keep updating you as we get updates.
और अरे बंदा उस लाओ ना उसको ऊपर है टॉप पे अरे बाबा सेंटर में
An under-construction 5-story building of Ruby Builders in Kankona Chowdi collapsed in the afternoon. The building collapse has killed 14 labourers till late evening. More than 23 injured male labourers have been hospitalized. Many labourers still remain trapped under the tons of debris. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Minister Ramesh Tawadkar, Subhash Faldesai, Naren Savoykar were at the spot continuously monitoring the situation. The CM called on the military for rescue operations. Government has cancelled Lokotsav, which was supposed to be held in Kankona for the coming 2 days. CM has ordered to register complaints against the builder, Kankona municipality and other responsible people.
सर्विसीस म्हणजे जे कोण भितर काढले तितले मेल्ल्या ओके भितर ते बोवा घालता तांकां सगळी तरेची इक्विपमेंट हे केल्या गॅस कटर क्रेन सगळें हाडला ते आता भितर एंट्री करून तांकां भायर रेस्क्यू करचे पडटले. मीनवाईल तो बिल्डर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर इंजिनियर आरसीसी म्युनिसिपल इंजिनियर सगळ्यांचेर FIR लॉन्च केल्या आणि पुलीस इज ऑलरेडी इन प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्क्यू.
भितर कितले आसपाची शक्यता
जे लोक उलयतात अराउंड टोटल 30 to 40 आणि आय थिंक फ्रॉम बोवा घालता जे वेल्यान एक 10-12 लोक भितर जिथे आसूंक जाय अशें दिसता.
आवाज येता भितरल्यान.
हय 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 हांव थंय सायडीर आशिल्लो. दॅट इज नॉट रेस्क्यू विल कंटिन्यू. मिलिटरीकूय आपयल्या 2 मिलिटरीचे लोक येतात. इट इज लायक कितें जाला ना तूं प्रॉब्लेम ना जावपाक. टॅक कशें पडला ते एका वयर एक वीज कशें जाला स्लॅबाच्या म्हणजे स्लॅबाचे मदल्यो सगळ्यो गजाली कितें जाल्यार कांयच कळना खंय गेल्यो त्यो. म्हणजे व्हर्च्युअली एक 1.5-2 फुटाचेर दुसरी स्लॅब आहा आनी ती बी टील जाल्या. त्यामुळे त्या सायडीच्यान काडून गेले तेवटेन स गेलो बरें. आनीक 2 बिल्डिंगो आहा त्यो डेंजरस पोजिशनान आहा.
ओके.
त्यामुळे लोकांक पयस दुखलो हो एक हे जालो.
आनी जे गिल्टी आहा हितून तेंचेर एक्शन जातली.
लॉस जाली ऑलरेडी. पुलीस इज ऑन द जॉब टू पिक देम. तांचेर 304 302 वेगळे सेक्शन 2 म्हाका 302 304 304 336 कसली सेक्शनां लायिल्ल्या निग्लिजन्स केअरलेस इन्क्लुडिंग म्युनिसिपल इंजिनियर.
Okay.
Sources claim that the fire brigade rescue works are helplessly too little or too less for the operation. 5 fire brigades and 4 ambulances are continuously on the spot.
गावण्या काम करे ते मोडून पडले सामकी ते सुटोन पडले ते खूब लोक
कितले अंदाज
आणला 5-4 लोक आसलो आसता. खूब आणला
50
400-500
इतले लोक आसले आनी सगळे भितर उरले.
अर्धान काडले अर्धान आहाय बरें.
गांवचे लोक कितले आसलेले थंय?
आमगे गांवचे आमी 2 जाण भुरगे आसले.
हय. आनी बाकीचे सायडीचे
बाकी खूब लोक आसले.
गोंयचे
गोंयची चड जाण नासले.
सगळे हाडलेले आहा ते.
Some laborers were heard shouting for help late in the evening. Rescue operations will continue in the night. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Aam Aadmi Party is set to expand its base in the state by opening party offices in both North and South Goa. AAP leader Remo Fernandes has said that the party will take final call about his candidature for upcoming Lok Sabha election. Another AAP leader, Oscar Rebello, said that Goa as a state needs to be rebranded and AAP will do it.
Aam Aadmi Party is opening its district offices in Panji and Margao on Sunday. Party is also starting a membership program. While announcing opening of the party office, Goa's international pop star and AAP leader Remo Fernandes said that as of now he has not been communicated by party to contest upcoming general election and party has to take final call about his candidature. Remo said that Aam Aadmi Party is trying to change traditional ways of politics.
AAP is trying very hard to change those very laws so that everybody, including the AAP people, will be answerable to the people directly. Not only at the center, at the state, in the village, everywhere. Today even a sarpanch is king. Yeah. You have to beg a sarpanch, if not bribe, you have to beg him for you to get your own birthright.
AAP leader Oscar Rebello said that party is yet to decide its stand on local issues like MOPA and mining. Taking a dig at Congress and BJP governments, Oscar Rebello said Goa has been defamed as a drugs, casinos and sex hub and the state needs to be rebranded.
So there is no question that we could be morally on batting for the side of casinos or dope or the sex tourism or what passes off for tourism in Goa. I think we have to rebrand that, we have to retweak that, but we also have to understand that as a political party, you cannot just go out all guns blazing and collapse the entire economic edifice which willy-nilly has come up over the years over here. So we'll have to look at ways, again in consultation with the people, how to rebrand, how to retweak the tourism policy in Goa.
AAP's Panji office will be inaugurated at their office opposite Sousa Towers near Municipal Garden, Panji at 11 am. Whereas its Margao office will be opened at Gogol Circle at 5 pm. Mukesh Kumar and Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Hearing on bail petition of Tarun Tejpal in sexual assault case has been adjourned for Tuesday. The court has extended Tejpal's judicial custody by 10 more days. The court has allowed in-camera proceeding for specific arguments. During the hearing, defense counsel stated that Tejpal has been victimized by media. He also said that this is a case of a private matter between two persons.
After completion of 12 days of judicial custody of Tarun Tejpal in sexual assault case, he was produced before the JMFC court at Panji on Saturday. The JMFC court extended his judicial custody for 10 more days. Later, he was produced before the Principal District and Session Court to be present during the hearing on his bail petition. During the hearing on Tejpal's bail petition, Defence Counsel yet again demanded in-camera hearing of his matter. Defence Counsel stated that Tejpal's reputation and his image is on stake and he has been victimized by media. Defence also said that at this point of time, his custodial interrogation is not required and required seizures have been done. Defence also said that this case is a private matter between Tarun Tejpal and the victim girl. Pressing for the in-camera hearing, Defence Counsel said that some of his submissions may malign the image of the victim. Hence, the matter should be heard in camera. After his statement, Special Public Prosecutor said that he has no problem if he argues some part of hearing in chamber, but he will reply his part in open court only. The court adjourned the hearing for Tuesday morning and allowed defence to argue in camera specific part of submissions. Mukesh Kumar and Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Now there's a new way to care for your baby's skin that's as natural as hugging and kissing. The new Libero baby care range with natural ingredients. Libero. Love every moment.